Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make beef chow mein Chinese takeaway style. I'll be showing you the way I had it growing up, and to me it tastes even better than Chinese takeaway. All the ingredients in this recipe can be bought from your regular supermarket. The only thing you might have trouble finding is the Chinese cooking wine, but you can use a splash of dry sherry as an alternative. This might be controversial, but if you don't have egg noodles, try using spaghetti, and it's just as good. To prepare the beef, you'll need a tablespoon of corn flour mixed with a tablespoon of water, a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of light soy sauce and some black pepper. Mix corn flour and water together in a little bowl and pour onto the beef. Mix it well and then add a tablespoon of oil. Make sure it's all mixed well together. This will make the beef more smooth and tender. For flavour, add some black pepper and a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix it well and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. For the main part of this recipe, you'll need egg noodles, bean sprouts, 6 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a teaspoon of cooking wine, spring onions, beef strips we prepared earlier, or you can swap this out for something else like chicken. First we will prepare the noodles. Boil some water and then put in the dried noodles. Move the noodles around so it gets soft. Shake them around to loosen them up. Put a lid on and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Loosen it up a bit more and then drain the noodles. Next we will cook the beef. Add 4 tablespoons of oil and carefully drop in the beef. The beef is likely to stick to the wok, so move it around. You may need to use a bit of force to get it off the bottom. Move the beef around to make sure all the sides are cooked. Take it out and leave it to one side. Give your wok a good clean. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a hot wok, then add in the bean sprouts. Stir fry for a minute. Add half a tablespoon of light soy sauce and stir fry for another minute to let the soy sauce flavours out. Add in the beef and stir fry. If you notice the wok getting too hot, turn down the heat. Add in the Chinese cooking wine and keep stir frying. We are ready to add in the noodles now. Shake it around to loosen them up. Add in the rest of the light soy sauce. Keep stir frying while mixing the sprouts and the beef into the noodles. I'm doing this on a medium heat, even though in a Chinese takeaway it's done on a high heat. But if I do it on high heat, it will end up sticking to the bottom of my wok as I can't mix fast enough. Add in the dark soy sauce. Keep mixing until all the colour is evenly distributed. We add the dark soy sauce at the end because if it's added earlier it increases the chance it will burn and stick to the bottom of the wok. Add in the spring onions. If you're feeling strong and brave, turn your heat to high and stir fry for the final minute. Just be careful not to burn your noodles. The beef chow mein is ready and I'm serving it in a takeaway box. Here's my beef chow mein takeaway. I even put it in a takeaway box and you can't even tell the difference. This is cheap, quick and easy to make, and it tastes as good as a Chinese takeaway with no MSG. Don't be put off by the prep time of the beef. This is how Chinese takeaways do it to get that soft texture of the beef, and obviously they're preparing in batches. But if you are put off, try chicken, prawns or just use a range of vegetables. I hope you like this video and will try making this at home. Let me know how it goes and leave me a comment in the comment box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on your notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!